Hello everyone, this is my review of the Norelie Stand, a must-have accessory for anyone using the RedRevive Cold Laser Therapy 1. The 360-degree rotation and height adjustable feature makes it incredibly convenient for hands-free use, allowing precise targeting of sore muscle and joints without having to hold the device. The stand is sturdy and well built, ensuring the wand stays securely in place during treatment. It also serves as a great storage solution, keeping the device easily accessible. If you use the red light therapy regularly, the stand is a great investment and added convenience and comfort, and I hope this review helps.